India's third lunar mission, Chandrayaan-3, has successfully entered the moon's orbit, marking a significant milestone as India aims for a lunar landing in the coming days. The Indian Space Research Organisation (ISRO) confirmed that the lunar orbit injection was performed around 7 p.m. IST on August 5th, placing the spacecraft into a stable lunar orbit. The lunar orbit insertion maneuver was performed from ISRO Telemetry Tracking and Command Network (ISTRAC) in Bangalore. Chandrayaan-3 has been successfully inserted into lunar orbit. A retro burning at the Perilune was commanded from the Mission Operations Complex (ISTRAC), Bangalore, the space agency said. After the completion of the crucial maneuver, ISRO on its X social media platform posted, "Chandrayaan-3 mission mocks ISTRAC's 'This is Chandrayaan-3, I am feeling lunar gravity.'" This crucial operation reduced the spacecraft's velocity, allowing the moon's gravitational field to capture it into a stable lunar orbit. The spacecraft is now expected to revolve around the moon in an elliptical orbit, with a series of maneuvers planned to gradually decrease its altitude in the days that follow. It will keep doing this until it reaches a 100-kilometer circular orbit. At that point, the lander and rover will separate from the propulsion module to descend to the surface. The landing site is a short distance away from where the Chandrayaan-2 spacecraft was meant to land, near the moon's south pole. If the mission is successful, India will become just the fourth country in the world to achieve a lunar soft landing, behind the United States, the erstwhile Soviet Union, and neighbor China. A soft landing is particularly difficult because, unlike on Earth, the moon has an extremely thin atmosphere. This means that there is not a lot of friction to slow down the spacecraft before it touches down. In this scenario, the spacecraft is primarily dependent on its propulsion systems to slow down its velocity. Also, there is no GPS on the moon. This means that Chandrayaan-3 has no network of satellites to rely on to precisely land at a particular location on the moon. Therefore, onboard computers will have to make quick calculations to alter the spacecraft's trajectory to make sure it does not land on boulders or other dangerous locations. Launched from the Satish Dhawan Space Center on July 14, 2023, aboard the LVM-3 rocket, Chandrayaan-3 has covered over 3 lakh kilometers in space between Earth and the Moon. The spacecraft had completed its orbits around the Earth on August 1st and began its trans-lunar journey towards the Moon. The Chandrayaan-3 mission aims to demonstrate India's capability for a safe and soft landing on the lunar surface, following the challenges faced during the Chandrayaan-2 mission in 2019. The successful lunar orbit insertion of Chandrayaan-3 marks a significant achievement for ISRO and the entire nation. As the spacecraft begins its journey around the moon, the world eagerly awaits the outcome of this ambitious mission.